Hi everybody, welcome to my lesson 2 Scratch environment. In this lesson I'll talk about the Scratch offline editor environment, and I have started my Scratch editor here. Here we can see three main areas, which are the stage area here, the sprite list area, and the script area. There are other areas like the menu bar, helper tools, and the multi-tab control area. Each tab on the control area will access different controls. For example, I have selected the tabs scripts tab here, and I have access to the building blocks here, which are ready to use for this selected sprite here. When I click on the costumes tab, I will access the costumes that's associated for the selected sprite. And when I click on the sound tab here, I will have access to the sound resources for this selected sprite. The stage is where your program will display the animation or gameplay. It has a screen size that is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels tall. The stage center is denoted by X equals to 0 and Y equals to 0. So if you see, if I'm trying to point right now to the center, which is just almost there. Alright, the small X and Y status information denotes the X and Y values of your current mouse pointer. This is a good way to translate your desired position into the X and Y values and put into your program. When you click on the green flag here, it will start your program. Clicking on the red circle, it will stop your program. And if you click on the blue box over here, the stage will go into presentation full screen mode. If I would do that right now, and you'll be ready for presentation. In the sprite list area, you can select or create new sprite from your Scratch library. And if I click on this icon here, I can select any one of this sprite from my library, which is quite extensive. It's taking a while to refresh. The Sprite library has different categories which you can easily use to search for different types of sprites. And coming back here, if you like, you can actually draw your own sprite, and they do have a simple drawing tools which allows you to create or draw a sprite from scratch. You do have the options to upload the sprite from the file, or you could take a picture and use that for your sprite. And lastly, in the sounds tab, you can create sound resources and use it for creating sound effect for your sprite. As we proceed to build some Scratch projects and start using the editor, you can get more familiar with these different parts of the editor. That's all I have for my second lesson. Do like my video if you find it useful. I'll prepare more lessons in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching.